You as a crocheter probably are making New Year's resolutions. Are you? Who hasn't? But I'm going to tell you that it's much better to turn them into SMART goals. Let me tell you 5 common New Year's resolutions from crocheters like you. And let me tell you how you can turn them into SMART goals easily. Hang on one sec and we'll get started right away. Hi, my name is Nicki and I'm the creator of Nicki's Homemade Crafts. I'm back! So let's talk about 5 common New Year's resolutions crocheters have that can be made easily into SMART goals. So here we go. Number 1 that I've seen all over the place is finishing up work in progress. That means so many have projects that we started and never finished or haven't finished. But we get enticed with all the new crochet patterns that are out and we want this yarn, we want this pattern, we want to start this, and then we get these ideas and these ideas. Way too many things happening. I get it. So let's break it down. Why don't you organize your current WIPs, work in progresses, and figure out which one can you do first. Break them up into small pieces, meaning do some of them that are a large project like a blanket once in a while, then you break it up into smaller pieces such as a hat and do that so you have this instant gratification, and then work again in between with larger projects. That way you can finish up your current work in progresses and then start new ones. Finishing up a project can feel so gratifying. So make that as a goal to finish up your work in progresses, but make it into a SMART goal. That means where you break it up into smaller pieces so that are easy accomplishable. Let's face it, New Year's resolutions are quick little hypes that within a few days go away and we come back to old habits. So make it into goals and write them down. Number 2 is use up the yarn you already have before buying new yarn. That means what I do is I don't even go to the craft store anymore. I don't. I get intrigued by buying this yarn and this yarn and this yarn. Don't. I in fact sometimes completely shut myself out of social media so I'm not getting enticed with all the new yarns. I get it, they're so awesome, they look cool, they feel amazing, but you already have yarn. Well, you have multiple different choices here. First, you either finish up the yarn you already have, make yourself a goal, break up your yarn into boxes, into categories, whatever you wish, and say, this is maybe the yarn for a certain project. This is the yarn for another project. Or you just say, this is the yarn. It has to be worked up first. Or better, if you really don't like it, donate it. Give it to people who really want to use the yarn. You might not want to, but it's okay. Just make sure it's good, usable yarn and donate it to a church. Or if you have a little crochet or yarn club, maybe you can give it out there or you can swap yarns. That works well too. So again, take your New Year's resolutions and make them into goals. That means if you organize your yarn well enough, I can promise you, you can get your goals done and don't have to worry about feeling down once the new year started and you haven't used up your yarn or you feel yourself wanting new yarn. So break up your yarn into projects that you can actually accomplish or donate. Very easy. Number 3 is learning new stitches. Seriously, there's so many people who want to simply learn new stitches so they don't have the repetitiveness of using the same stitches or stitch patterns over and over and over again. Well, guess what? I have help for you right there. I actually made an entire collection of crochet stitches on my website. Look down and below in the description, or you might see it up there somewhere. Check it out. I have over 30 different crochet stitches and I'm adding to them once in a while, I even have an ebook right there for you where everything is nicely broken down. Yes, that ebook actually has a video collection with it. That means you're getting the ebook with all the stitches lined up in paper format. At the same time, you also get the videos with it. So you can use one or the other or both at the same time. So go check those out if you want to learn some new crochet stitches. Number 4 is organize your yarn and patterns. Wow, that's a big one. I'm actually going to have videos for those to really break it down and show you how I do it. So let me summarize really quickly. First of all, you can organize your yarn easily into different categories such as brand, weight, color, whatever you wish. You can break up your yarn into whatever you choose, whatever fits your boat or your yarn box. So you decide how you're going to sort your yarn in your way. Don't let anyone tell you what to do, but feel free to take in suggestions. Now, regarding patterns, you can put them into folders, you can print them out, to put them into categories within a binder, so many different options. Well, hang on, I have something for you. So I have a freebie for you. Yes, I do. I have a tiny ebook that literally has it all broken down. That means you have sheet cheese, so you can organize your yarn and patterns. Yes, I made it just for you. So check in the description or somewhere up here. So grab your little ebook and let me help you get organized. It has it all broken down. Just use those cheat sheets and then you can go ahead and organize your yarn and patterns right there. And number 5 is how to change colors in crochet. That is actually one of those big New Year's resolutions that I always say to crocheters, make that into a goal. You can really break up how to change colors in crochet so easily. In fact, I have a workshop that I host once in a while throughout the year. Maybe once or twice. So check it out in the description or up here somewhere. You can sign up right there for a free workshop where I literally break it down for you. How to change colors in crochet easily. You don't have all the yarn tangles. And in fact, sometimes I show you once in a while some tips and tricks to make sure that your color changes are even or that you have less yarn to weave in. Those were 5 amazing New Year's resolutions that should be made into SMART goals. By the way, that little template I was just talking about, well, guess what? It also has a template for goals. Yes, I literally broke it down for you. Write down your goals into certain brackets, break them down into smaller pieces, and then just work on them. Throughout the year, the best thing to do is put that goal sheet right in front of you somewhere where you can see it every single day so you can work on it step by step. But I have even more New Year's resolutions you can turn into goals. There is a link in the description that has even more of them broken down into pieces. So go check out that article on my website where I have even more goals that you can accomplish for yourself. I know you can do it. Don't get a hang of all these New Year's resolutions. Make them into SMART goals and feel great about it. I know you can do it. If I can, you can. Live a happier crochet life, one pattern or tutorial at a time. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on that little bell so you get notified the next time I publish a new video like this or where I actually show you how to crochet patterns or tutorials. Until then, I'll see ya. Bye.